What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's that time of the month again. We got our Builder's Club kit of the month, and I know what's in here. Basically, we have almost the same kit as last month, but an absolutely different driver. So let's go ahead and crack it open, and you always see it right on top. Look at that, Bobby Isaac, 1971 Dodge Charger. The last kit of the month was a 1977 Dodge Charger, so this one is a bit older. But Bobby Isaac, really cool. I did a little research on him. He did win a lot of races, I heard, and it's really cool. So we got that. We got our goodies in here. Oh, there goes the sticker. So we'll look at that here in a sec. But really cool, Bobby Isaac. I did hear some good things about him, like on Google. I did hear he did die at a young age, not because of NASCAR, but you know, personal life issues, and you know, it kind of sucks. But I'll show you around. There's some goodies. What Airbrush has. That was our June kit of the month, right there. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and put that to the side right now. We will open it. Our sticker went flying out, and it looks like a Dale Earnhardt car. Very cool. It says JR Models on the window. That's really cool. I still like the Bald Eagle sticker, but that one's really cool. And then we got our goodies of decals. So we got one decal this month. Looks like it. Yeah, it looks like it. Of course, Chevrolet. Been getting a lot of Chevrolet's decal sheets lately, so nothing wrong with that. Looks like we got our what's this about? Looks like our painting decal, so you don't want to paint the car. We got Chase Elliott. Yeah, good old Chase Elliott. This is his Coca-Cola 600. This is his, I believe this is a 2022. I'm assuming it's a 2022 because it does not say the 75th anniversary there. I could be wrong. I'll put a picture on your screen of the kit, but it could be 2022. It could be wrong. It could be 2023. But really cool. This is his Coca-Cola 600 paint scheme, and then of course this is all of his like decal work, just in case if you don't want to do any painting. That seems kind of complicated, but regardless, really cool. I got another Chase Elliott. Been getting a lot of Hendrick car decals lately. Nothing wrong with that, because I do love Hendrick. Hendrick Motorsports is probably one of my favorite teams out there. One of them. I do like a lot of them, but not all of them, but I do like most of them. But Hendrick is definitely ones I do like. So yeah, check this out. Bobby Isaac, really cool. Let's go ahead and open this one up. I'm not gonna go through every single piece and snaggings like that, because I will be doing an unboxing video. For now on, when I do get a kit of a month, and if it's a kit that I've never opened before, such as the Dodge Charger, maybe for Unbox Monday, we'll unbox this for the upcoming Monday. I'm not going to do both of them, because last month we did get the white one. Maybe I'll do the white one, because the white one's more common, but I'm not going to be doing the same kits over and over again, because it's literally the same kit. Only difference is it's just the driver and decals, so there's no reason to open all of them. So let's go ahead and open this. I'm sure it should be in this burnt orange. I thought this is going to, oh, this is more orange than I thought it was going to be. That's kind of weird. I guess they couldn't get the white pigment. So this one you might have to paint. Sorry for the guys who do have to paint, but once you are going to have your paint. Here's my metal axle. My last month, the metal axle went flying out of bags. Like, let me free. Get me out of here. Then we got our body. Really nice Charger body. Look how slim this is. It's so cool. Oh, cool. Our gas can, or gas filler cap is separate too. So that's cool. Really cool. This body is so stunning. Really neat. So we got that. Our tires should be treaded. Yes, they are. This is before they went to Foley Slicks. 1980s, I heard, is when NASCAR went to Foley, or late 70s, I want to say. I can't remember. Late 70s or early 80s is when they went to Foley Slicks, because they were still racing on kind of like clayish kind of thing. There's our glass parts kind of peeking out, but really cool. And of course, we got our main content, not orange. So yeah, you are gonna have to paint some stuff. You are gonna have to paint the window net. You are gonna have to paint the engine, wheel backs, maybe the interior. I think the interior might be a different color. Who knows? Did the body, but for this one, you definitely are gonna paint it because it is definitely not in the right color. But not too big a deal for me because I paint anyway. So even though Jim says you don't have to, but it's my model. It's your model. You can paint them if you want to. So yeah, very cool. Yeah, there's quite a bit of parts in here you do have to paint anyway. So not too big a deal. Detail looks really good. You do have separate wheels in there. So those are the ones that will be black, because on this car they are black. And the reason why I say that is we have chrome. We have our chrome parts, and you do have the chrome wheels. And these are not the wheels you are using. You are using the plastic ones that is in the kit. But I will pull this out. I will show you guys this one more time. I'm gonna show it every time, to be honest, because this is just, I love this chrome. Real chrome. It's just real chrome. It's insane. And I just love getting my magnet and just sticking to it. If there's a flat surface, it's not a flat surface, then maybe this one's not as sticky this week. Huh. Last month it was sticking to my magnet. This one's not really sticking, but it is still real chrome. It is cold to the touch, so you cannot strip it. Just in case you're wondering, it's really cool chrome and the best chrome in model history. I'm gonna put that out there right now. Then instructions, really high quality instruction paper. Ooh, decals. We're gonna get those here last. But instructions, really nice instructions. They're really well displayed out. There are some things on here that I heard, or yeah, that I did hear are kind of mixed up. So just take your time, go through it. And then you do have your final assembly on this page, and then you do have your decal placement, large and big on this side. So really cool they're doing that for people who can't really see that well. And then for the decals, there they are. That's it. That's the decals. It's literally the same size. I did this last month. I believe they're literally the same size as the sheet of black for the next. Actually, they're smaller. They're smaller. Ooh, look at that. They're actually smaller than the sheet of black decals for the Camaro and the Ford and Toyotas. But this is literally it. This is literally all the decals. It's just a number, little sponsors here and there, because NASCAR back in the day weren't big. They were still young and they didn't have a whole lot of sponsors. But you were getting your gauge clusters right there, and just some numbers, your main number, Dodge, Goodyear for your tires, and that's literally it. And this paint job's gonna be so easy because it's one color. There's no two-tone paint jobs or anything like that. This is just paint one color, pace, and play. I mean, it's just these Dodge Charger kits are so simplified because it's just NASCAR. They were so young back in the day. 1970s they weren't really big still. NASCAR was only 20 years old when 1970s came around. But 1980s is when the cars started getting more complicated and they're getting a buttload of new sponsors. And 1980s is when NASCAR cars started getting a lot of stickers, and yeah, so. But 70 airs, I mean, geez, I mean, this is all you're getting. It's really cool, and you can make this into a really nice model. And yeah, it's really something. We'll do unboxing on probably this kit, or not sure of the white one, but we'll start doing unboxing videos of kits that I never unboxed before, such as the Dodge Charger. But again, I'm not gonna do both of them, or if I get a same kit over and over again with the same body style, but not the same, but which is the driver, I'm not gonna do them all of them. I'm just saying. But we'll do an unboxing on one of these kits so you see all the parts. But really cool. That's kit month. Now I will warn you. I'm gonna warn you right now. I will give you this warning. Next month is September. Next month is going to be a Builders Club exclusive kit. Meaning by exclusive, you cannot buy that particular kit at your hobby shop. No other hobby shop online, or either not even Model Roundup, not even Mega Hobby, not nowhere is going to have it. Only JR Models is going to sell it, and it is for Builders Club only. So if you want that particular kit, go ahead and sign up for Builders Club probably in this month, because they start charging your credit cards, I believe, was it the 5th or 10th, somewhere around there. But they charge your credit cards pretty early. If you sign up kind of late, say if you sign up at September 10th, then you're gonna miss your card getting run, and you're gonna miss that month. So if I were you, sign up today or by the end of this month or beginning of September. Then you'll get a chance to get that kit, that exclusive kit, and then you can go ahead and buy a few other ones you want, because you cannot. Once JR Models is out, they're completely out. They're only making enough runs for people that's in the Builder Club and for the people who do want to buy a couple extra ones, so they have it in your stash. But just giving you that warning, because people in the Builders Club, last Builders Club kit a month, people were, some people in the Builders Club were actually putting on eBay for like 140, 120 bucks, and people were buying them, and it's just like, wow, maybe I'll do that, make a quick buck, but who knows. But yeah, just warning you, next month is a Builders Club exclusive. So if you want exclusive kits that no one else can get, join now if I were you. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until next month, will be a Builders Club exclusive, and we'll show that off. But alright guys, until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time.